Hey guys, Steve here. Well, I've got a quick video today. Well, I hope it's going to be a quick video. I was watching old Phil Damiano, and he put a video up about Terry's apple cobbler loaf or something. They were out camping at Paradise Lost, one of those spots we've been to. Don't forget to check my video about that one. But I thought I'd give it a go. We're out camping, so I'm going to do a bit of a different version on it. Terry said you can just about put anything in it, so I'm going to have a go at cooking it. I've got all the ingredients I think I need here. I've got some sliced peaches, some fruit salad, a bit of pineapple and all that sort of stuff in it. I've got a green sticky date pudding. I'm going to try that instead. See how that goes. Some brown sugar. Haven't got butter, but I've got sort of Western Star original spread. I'm going to put that on it. Some ground cinnamon, don't know whether I should be putting that in, but I'm going to. And a can of beer just to get me through. So, and a cake tin. I've got the camp cube out there heating up. Got some fire bloody bricks in that. Got it going, so I'll get my fry pan on, get that all heated up. Then I'll start mixing this up, eh? So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a minute. Cheers, everyone. Okay guys, going to get into this. I got all the charcoal going like I was saying. I'll put a bit at the end of this clip. I just walked around the other side of the camper and I absolutely got the piss taken out of me because I'm standing around here talking on video. I'll put it up at the end, so make sure you have a look at it. Bloody Annie and Rob. Wait till you see it. So let's get into it. So first of all, I think from the other video, I'll leave a link in the description too from Phil's video. Make sure you check it out. It was pretty funny. Rob the Wanderer and Terry G, who made my wonderful bloody chopping board. Have a look at this, guys. Look at that chopping board there from Terry G. Got his little emblem on the back there. Bloody beautiful. We do use it. We didn't use it, but I am now. I'm not frightened to use it. So Terry said he'll give me a replacement if I wreck it. Thanks, mate. You're an absolute legend, Terry. So I'm not going to pour this all in because I'm going to use a bit of both. So I'm going to spoon some peaches in the bottom here. Just put I reckon half a tin, I reckon. And shove them in the bottom here with a bit of juice. So I'll just shove those in there, put the lid back on because I've got another tin of fruit salad here. It's got bloody pineapple and all sorts of bloody stuff in it. So from what I've seen on their video, in between they're laughing and cooing and drinking. It doesn't matter if you've got a bit of juice in here. It's pretty simple and they reckon it's a really good dessert. So we're doing a live feed later on, so hopefully we'll have it cooked by then. So I'm throwing a bit of this pineapple and peaches and fruit salad stuff in the bottom as well. And just coating the bottom of the pan. Probably about half, I reckon. Hopefully that looks good enough. So that's about it for the fruit. And then the cake mix. Now Terry used a vanilla cake mix. I'm using a self-sourcing sticky date pudding. I don't know what's in here. I haven't opened it, so we'll just open her up. And that's there is a couple of things in there. I don't know what that is, but I won't be putting that in. I'm just going to put this part here in. So find me knife over here. Cut her open. I've made a mess of that. And I'll just sprinkle that all over the top. Like Terry, I'm getting more on the table than what I am in the cake. So I've put that all in there. I'll give it a little bit of a shake. Maybe spread it out a little bit so it's nice and even. Now I'm not going to hold it up to the camera. I'll grab the camera and bring it down here because old Terry held it up to the camera and just about put it all on the ground. Now I got told not to put cinnamon in it because I haven't got apple, but I don't know what's in those things, so I'm not going to put cinnamon on it. But I am going to put some brown sugar. So I got some brown sugar here that I bought earlier. I got stuff blowing everywhere. I'll get my spoon out. I don't know how much to this I've got to put on, like. So not, Annie's just yelling out in the background there. Robin said not too much but enough. So I don't know what that is in female terms, but in us bloke terms it probably means we're going to do the wrong thing, so prepare to get a bit of kickback on that.
That doesn't look like enough.
Is that too much or is that enough?
No, that doesn't look like
I got
enough.
two people in the background there, two clowns.
Well, you know, from the bloke's perspective.
Another spoonful?
Now it looks like too much.
You can hear all the bloody banter in the background going on. I better open this beer up.
Oh, I don't think you need.
They're all been drinking.
No, we haven't. We're sober.
So, apart from the cinnamon, no. I'm getting told no cinnamon. All I got left is the butter. Now, you're meant to have real butter. I never had any. I've lost my spoon. Bloody hell. What have I done with it? I'll get another one. Ian's washing up. Rob might be too. So I'm just going to put a few bits of butter. This is Aussie Western Star, so we'll put that around the top. I think the butter sort of makes it caramelise or something, or puts a crust on it or some bloody thing. It does something scientific. It's too much for my comprehension.
Oh,
but
that's probably enough butter too.
So is that enough or needs more?
No.
I think it needs a bit less.
So that is it. All we've got left now to do is spread the coals out. I reckon one of the guys in the peanut gallery might do that while we're waiting. I don't know what I've done with my gloves. I've lost them.
Peanuts, apparently. They're from Kingaroy.
So I've lost the gloves. I put them somewhere earlier. I'll show you this cake. We'll get the rest prepared, and then we'll get into it. There's one of the culprits there. There's the other one. Look at them in the background there. They've been standing there the whole time. So there it is there. Have a look at that.
Oi, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And hit the notification bell.
Good on you guys. So Anne's been on the rub. Rob's been on the tuies. I've had tuies and Han. We're probably going to pull a bottle of wine out later and do a live feed. So there it is there. We'll get this fire pit going. We'll come back and we'll get it cooked, eh? So hopefully you've hit that like and subscribe and the notification, and we'll show you a bit more in a minute. Cheers everyone. Okay guys, welcome back. Just a little disclaimer first before I get going again. This is not actually Terry's recipe, it's his wife Robin's recipe. He stole it. He actually broke into her safe in her bedroom, done like Tom Cruise and Mission Impossible, found the combination to a safe. He was sort of hanging, as you know, he's a pretty handyman. He hung off the ceiling, had all the wires, bloody broke in there, undid the safe, got her secret recipe book out, and he went through it and photocopied all these recipes. I'm not sure whether he's selling them on Facebook or anything like that, but that's where it come from. Sorry, Robin. I'm going to use it anyway. My apologies. So let's get into it. We've got it all prepared over here like we were showing you earlier. Only thing we did, we decided to put a bit of the self-sourcing pudding on top of it as well. So who knows whether it'll work. Over here you can see we've got all the charcoal on top of the camp oven. So all we've got to basically do now is put it in the camp oven. I better get the other glove on because I reckon I'll burn my fingers when I lift that pan up. But we've had a few of those tuies news as well. There's been a fair bit of banter and stuff going on around here. A bit like when Phil and Rob and all that were doing it. Annie swings around 180 right now. Really quick. So got her off. Just got to drop her in. That's why I put the gloves on, because I didn't want to burn my fingers. And put the lid on. Someone look at the time, which is 4:36, and I think it's about half an hour. So we'll leave it in there for half an hour. We've got tea cooking over there and we'll show you what it looks like. I've got some ice cream. I haven't got some bloody Peter's ice cream. I could only get bloody Buller. I'll tell you what, Terry, that Peter's ice cream is absolutely fantastic. I actually bought a tub of that the other day. That's why I'm putting too much weight on, because I've been having ice cream and topping every bloody night. One other thing, just have a look down here again, just so you can see, I am using Terry's chopping board. I had everything sitting out here. He's done a heap of these. This is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to see if Terry can do my new logo for me. I'll pay him for it, Terry, and get my new logo. This one, not Bucks, Annie's wearing it. Show your logo. Yeah, just there. Get that put onto a chopping board. Not down your shirt, Annie. What have I told you about that? Okay. So, we'll get into it. I'll show you what it looks like when we're finished. Cheers, everyone. Okay, guys, the moment of truth. It's been on for, it's probably been on for about an hour, because we just cooked ourselves a meal. So, but it's been smelling bloody good, so I'll get Rob to come over here as I lift the lid and you can have a look at it. I've got to get the right lid. I folded up the other ones there a minute ago because I put a bit more charcoal on the top just to get a bit more heat. We were talking to old Terry G and getting a bit of advice off him. So we'll lift the lid off. Have a look at that, guys. How good does that look? Smells pretty good, doesn't it, Rob?
It smells yummy.
So we're going to lift it over to the table over here.
Because that's all sugar.
Yeah, so have a look at that.
Oh,
How good does that look?
you can smell it.
So Rob was meant to get a bowl. He hasn't got one yet.
No, we'll get one in a minute.
So it's sort of crunchy on top. It'll probably break up a bit, but that's okay. Because it is that sort of dessert. It's like a... Is that enough, Annie?
I think Annie should do the taste testing.
Yeah, we'll get Annie to do the taste testing. So I haven't got the Peter's ice cream, but I've got the Buller ice cream, so...
Well, it's Australian too.
It's Australian.
That's enough.
So there we go. Have a taste, Annie. It'll probably be really hot. And tell us if we should try it.
Bugger off, you're still not getting any.
So I better serve myself some up. Okay, Rob, what's it like? We better get a reaction off you, mate.
Good to go, eh? That topping, that sugar, that topping is just amazing, mate.
Yeah, come
Tastes, oh, nice, sweet, and all the peaches and all that, and it tastes really, really nice, and with a bit of ice cream, because you got that nice warm, that cool texture as well, eh?
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? Okay, we'll finish up now.
Oh, that's good.
I really need another spoon, but...
It's hot, so
Drawer
be
there, first
careful
drawer
when
there,
you,
mate. Get that one there.
So I'll raid Rob's bloody caravan over here. And it's a really easy dessert. Anyone could cook while you're camping. So thanks very much to Robin and Terry and Phil and Rob the Wanderer, because we wouldn't have known about this if it wasn't for their little exploit on YouTube. I'll leave a link to Phil's video so that you can all check it out. How good is it having ice cream when you're bloody camping?
Robin and Terry tried the sticky date cake mix.
Yeah, so this was a sticky date cake mix, and like I said, we ended up putting the self-saucing pudding on top. Oh, that's divine. That is bloody beautiful. Like, you can really taste the sugar and all that in there. It's bloody awesome. I'll get a photograph of it too, but thanks very much for watching. The Peanut Gallery, what have we got to do?
Got to like and subscribe.
And hit the ding dong bell for notifications.
They've been badgering me about that all afternoon. Make sure you check out the very end of this video. I'll put a bit of a clip up, but yeah, stay safe everyone, look after each other. If you've got any questions, queries or comments, leave them down below. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. We've got a live feed to do now. We're going to be sitting at this table. Hopefully we'll be finished all this and for about an hour or so, I suppose. So thanks very much. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.
Steve, Steve, can I just say one thing?
What?
Leave the cinnamon out if you're not putting apple in it.
But I think it's got apple and pineapple. I don't think it has.
Just leave cinnamon out if it hasn't got apple,
Okay.
please.
Yep.
And also, one other thing.
What?
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Are you taking the piss out of me again?
No, we all are.
Oh.